Yes, that's my feet. So exciting. Isn't it? It's lovely. Barn next door. Trees. Ooh. Yeah, that's my house. That's my dog. That black spot way out there. Ready? Yeah, can't really tell. She's too far away. Not gonna bother with that. And yeah. Not much else really. So that's the pool. Bay! Bailey! Bay, come! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Bay! Yeah, the dog's not listening. Bailey, come! Bay! Okay, well, yeah, she's not gonna come, so I'm gonna go for now.